Alright, hey guys, back here with another video, Rugged Garage. So today we're ripping out all the engine mounts for the Corolla. So this one is the right hand side gearbox mount that connects onto your frame. So what we've done is just got the old saber saw, cut the whole middle out of it, and then what we've done here is just got the saber saw and it's got like a circle piece of metal, and we just shave that just so it releases the tension, and then we smack this piece of metal out, we'll burn it completely out, and then we've got all new poly bushings that we bought from Australia. So these orange ones here, and they're bloody good quality, and I think they're around about 200 New Zealand dollars, or about 250 New Zealand dollars, and it comes
250 with shipping to your door.
Yeah,
which is not too bad considering that you could make these, you could pour polyurethane in it, but at the end of the day they're still ship mounts.
yeah.
Whereas these are just there's a little bit of modification you have to do with this, because this is actually for a 4H, but you know, it's going to be fine. One of them's got like a 1mm gap all the way around, so I could put in this little wee sleeve like this, what it's got here, metal one, or I got another option where I could just fill it up with something else, like a silicone or something, or like polyurethane, and just make it work. That's only for the one mount. All the rest seem to be perfect. Yeah.
So these mounts were universal for 4AF engines, 4AGE, 4AFEs, like a whole different bunch. So yeah, they pretty much work all the same. So yeah, we'll just get back and we'll end up ripping all these rest of these other ones out, and then we'll show you what we're doing.
Right guys, just got that mount here. So that's the modification that we have to do. I just trim like a 3mm off this mount, 3mm off the other mount, and that's how it comes out. It's not that nice, but hey, I just got to make it work. So I've just got the craft knife here and just cutting down there, and then cutting along here and just making that there work. So yeah. Right guys, so this is the mount here. There are the gearbox mounts over on the bench, but that's all good. So this one here I've had to modify a bit, because you can get the black one that's like this mild steel one, but because I got the Gilmore drive kit, I've had to shave down these bolts here so it doesn't hit with the water pump Gilmore drive poly. So to make this here work, because I don't want to keep on changing all over my stuff, I've had to shave like probably 3mm on this one and on this one, but it's come out pretty nice. You wouldn't even know that I've actually cut that with a knife and made it all work, and that just all slides in pretty nice. It's going to be tight though, and then I'll just get the orientation of that right, and then that should just all press in. It's going to be tough.
Easy way to do it is like chuck it in the vise or something.
Yeah,
with
and just use the pin and have a bit of timber on both.
Timber on both sides, just to get damage anything.
But that's the whole idea of that. Get rid of that shitty rubber mounts that were falling out, and you get rid of all these shitty bits on the side that go on here and here. They only go on your
engine and gearbox.
Yeah, it's the engine and gearbox. Your front mount for your engine and your rear mount for your gearbox. So they're junk. We don't need them anymore. So this is what is going to stop. I'm not ever going to have to replace these again. It's a one-time deal thing. You know, these will never have any play in them.
The only sort of thing I would say I don't like about these mounts is the colour.
Yeah, if they come with black, so it match my engine
Your bay would look real nice.
But it's going to stand out, so everybody's know that they're going to be upgraded anyway. So when I take it into the certifier, he's just going to be like, yep, sweet, done. I'm just going over the whole entire car. I've got some parts upstairs I want to show you guys, what I've bought to refresh all of the front end of my car and some of the rear end, like my rear sway bar links and stuff. So that's what I've done here. You know, some people would say this is unnecessary, but actually my front
These two here were completely like blown out.
Yeah, they were all both ripped, and because I've got the cam in there, the 292 cam, it just fucking, you know, revs the shit out of the motor, and when it idles, it just fucking, and with the solid mounts now, you'll feel it in the car.
Yeah,
that will be the downside of it, but it's going to be awesome.
Like, to go replace both these, you're looking at the same price. Actually, it's more to go replace just these two mounts than buy this whole kit. To go buy these in New Zealand, about $120 each for these. That's roughly, and this whole kit here is like $250 shipped. So you're better off just buying this, and this is way stronger. You don't ever have to, like, you could run this thing for probably 10 years.
Actually, the $200.
Yeah, it's just the shipping on the top.
Yeah, I paid.
And import.
Yeah, and import tax, because when you live in New Zealand, you have to pay tax on everything that you import, which is a bit of a scam. But hey, it's just one of those things that people got to do. So that's it there. Mad Poly, it's an Australian company. Fucking good quality. You can't, like, the thing is, I knew that I was gonna have to modify these a little bit. They're actually for 4AFs and 4Ages, but to be honest, where you're gonna find 2E solid mount polyurethane bushes from, I fucking have no clue.
We had a look all on eBay, like AliExpress, like everywhere, and you couldn't find them. You can't.
I've thought about filling them with polyurethane. They just come out shit.